Hi, I'm Steven. Today I'll take you through the commercial credit agreement process, enhanced by agentic automation. Commercial credit agreements, often hundreds of pages of unstructured data, create massive backlogs that delay loan servicing, introduce costly errors, and put both revenue and reputation at risk. Corporate trust leaders are finding that manual reviews simply can't keep pace with the volume and complexity of these credit agreements. Now, let's see how UiPath agentic automation transforms this process entirely. First, UiPath Maestro orchestrates document ingestion, integration with lending systems, multiple specialized agents that work in parallel to extract over 100 entities, detect signatures, and dynamically build amortization schedules by synthesizing rates, terms, and payment dates. Next, our deep RAG research technique intelligently chunks lengthy documents, enabling precise extraction with full attributions and page citations for every data point. Corporate trust teams now receive a complete, verified data package, loan terms, signatures, amortization schedules, all extracted automatically from even the most complex agreements. Every insight includes attributions and page citations for compliance and easy verification. That's how UiPath eliminates backlogs, reduces risk, and transforms corporate trust operations with agentic automation. Thanks for watching.